go over here and control V. Didn't work. So right click. Still didn't work. Alright. Just drag and drop. All of them. Control A, then just drag it and drop it. And I'm going to pause while it transfers it all over. Alright guys, then you want to go ahead and open up the WP content file and go over here to WP content. Let it load here. You may have to reconnect it for some reason. FileZilla does that sometimes. So just go back in there. And that is some kind of backup. I don't know what that is. Anyway, go ahead and open up plugins. And go over here to plugins. And put everything that you don't have in there. Actually, you probably want to go ahead and just copy all of it over because it could be a new version of Akismet and Hello, whatever. Anyway, just, well, you can't copy it. I think I'd learn just drag and drop. And just click OK. 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 Just keep clicking OK when it asks. Alright, then you want to do the same thing for the themes folder. Just copy it all, right click, or select it all, and drag and drop. And just wait for it to load here. I'm going to pause while it finishes the transfers. Alright, and then you just want to go ahead and get it back all the way out here. And again, you may have to reconnect for some reason, which makes it a lot easier anyway. Just give it a second here to connect. Alright, and go ahead and right click on public_HTML and go to file permissions and change this to 777 and click. You can go ahead and click here to recurse into subdirectories, which means it applies it to every file, which this is really good if you use a lot of updating automatically and things, but if not, I wouldn't do it because it's an easy way for people to just jump in and mess up your website. But go ahead and click OK. You can just decide to do that. If not, I'm gonna pause it while it does this. This takes a second. Alright guys, and you can go ahead and just X out of FileZilla for now and this, and go ahead and open up your web host. And you want to go to scroll down and find MySQL. Click on it and scroll down, and you see here this is your SQL database and everything. So go ahead and open up a new tab and go to your website's URL. And go ahead and click on create a configuration file, and this is what you will need, which is also right there. So you need both of these open, and click on let's go. So your database name, so go here, and that'll be this one. So copy it and go over here and paste it. Go get the username, copy that, and go over here and paste it, and go and get the, what does it need, the host? Yes, go get the host. So right click and copy, and go and paste it. I have to pause the video here and type in my password because it shows the password. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to type in my password and click submit, and then I'll be back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and click on run the install. You appear to have already installed WordPress. To reinstall, blah 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 blah. So you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and try to redo it, and the website should be up and running. And there you go. You have your website back. Now, you may be asking, well, why did we have to get that SQL file for? That was in case you wanted to do a new SQL database. So where we use this here to make the configuration file, if you were using a new web host or something, you had to make a new SQL, you would upload it. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick in case you were switching web hosts or something also. So you would want to go back into MySQL, or wait, no, back. You go to phpMyAdmin and enter the phpMyAdmin for whichever SQL database you're doing, and go to import and just select the file and upload it, and then you will have it ready for your new website. So this has been a tutorial by Player J40. Comment, rate, subscribe.